What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that from this recent low to its current price at that moment we had a very good movement to the upside for more than 25%. And I've told you that we hit this range of resistance. It is the confluence in between several touches right here as the resistance and several touches right here as the support. And I've told you that we should have a retracement, and even if we might go even higher, this movement to the upside won't be massive, and eventually we have to have a retracement, and it happens. As you can see from this range, we went higher for only 5%, and then we have this decrease in price for about almost 9%. Definitely we have to see this retracement for quite some time, and probably we might see even lower levels. And I will show you the levels in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news and let's take a look what was the reason of this sell-off. First of all, let's start with their official website. Since I made my previous video, they posted two news on March 22nd and on March 24th. And let me quote it for you one by one. First of all, let's start with this one. Lucid announces integration of its proprietary DreamDrive Pro advanced driver assistance system with NVIDIA Drive Hyperion software-defined platform. And let me quote you these bullets. Lucid's DreamDrive Pro Advanced Driver Assistance System features 32 sensors on the vehicle and has been designed to grow in capability over time with software delivered to vehicles over the air. Lucid's in-house DreamDrive software stack runs on the NVIDIA Drive platform, delivering incredible computing power for advanced features. NVIDIA Drive Hyperion centralized compute architecture is integrated into the DreamDrive Pro ADAS suite of every Lucid Air on the road today. Lucid plans to further collaborate with NVIDIA on future products. And definitely this partnership implies very good upside potential for both companies, because it is a win-win collaboration. And let me quote you Mr. Michael Bell, Senior Vice President of Digital, Lucid. The seamless integration of NVIDIA's software-defined compute architecture and Drive OS provides a powerful basis for Lucid to further enhance what DreamDrive can do in the future, all of which can be delivered to vehicles over the air. This can benefit every facet of the DreamDrive Pro experience. And Rachel Dahl, Vice President of Automotive NVIDIA, said, Lucid and NVIDIA are working closely to create highly programmable intelligent vehicles. By developing on NVIDIA Drive, Lucid can deliver safe electric vehicles that are future-ready, with a customer experience that continues to get better and more capable with each software update. And definitely this step might be a very good long-term catalyst for both of these companies. So, and let's continue with other news. On March 24th, we have this press release, and it says, Lucid expands presence in Canada with Toronto studio opening, expects Canadian deliveries in spring 2022, collaborates with Electrify Canada. And let me quote you this. Lucid Group today announced the official opening of its newest studio location at the Yorkdale Shopping Centre in Toronto, Ontario. This location serves as the second location in Canada and 23rd in the company's growing North American retail network. The company expects to begin Canadian deliveries of the Lucid Air in spring 2022. And definitely each and every opening of their new locations like this has a very good long-term impact on the markets, and definitely Canadian market is quite promising market for all of the electric vehicle manufacturers, because they have quite strict rule from ecological standpoint, and they have a lot of interest in EV cars in general. And definitely Each and every new studio opening will affect the number of their reservations, and definitely it will increase the number of their deliveries. So, and these two news are quite positive for Lucid, but despite of this news, we have a decrease in price. And why it is happening? Let me show you this article. It was published on March 25th, and it says, "Why Lucid stock tumbled on Friday?" And let me quote you that earlier in March, Lucid announced it will produce only 12,000 to 14,000 vehicles in 2022 versus its previous projection of 20,000 units, given the supply chain and logistics challenges. Today, at least two automakers confirmed that the supply concerns aren't going away anytime soon. And let me quote you that NIO just published their earnings report, and they announced a weak guidance for deliveries in the first quarter due to supply chain challenges and other headwinds. And the second manufacturer is General Motors. It is a legacy manufacturer, and this company is shutting down a factory in India for 2 weeks because it's running out of semiconductor chips. And because of these two news, a lot of investors started to be very cautious with investment in EV sector in particular and in car manufacturer industry in general. And definitely this news pushed the price of Lucid down. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that we are not out of the woods, and I have to say that we might see some lower price targets for Lucid in this retracement. And from the Elliott wave perspective, we might have on this movement to the upside, we might have all 5 waves completed. This might be the first wave. Second, these 3 waves implies only 3rd wave on a greater scale, and this is the 4th wave and 5th wave. So if it is the case, we have to project the retracement levels, and to do so we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, because 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a greater scale. And as you can see, we have very good support range from 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, and we have the confluence with this yellow line, and I marked this line previously, as I already mentioned. And for now we have very good reaction from 0.382 range from $24.67. And I have to say that we might see even lower price action, and the ranges of 0.5, it is the price point of $23.88, and the golden pocket range, it is the price points in between $22.88 and $23.09, might be your accumulation points if you want to catch the next leg to the upside. So, from the investor standpoint, you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle, and no matter what, this asset is quite lucrative from the investor standpoint. And that's why, if you already done your own due diligence and you want to put your money into this asset, just accumulate on every daily red candle, as already mentioned. But if you want to catch next leg to the upside as a swing trader, just accumulate your position on these levels, on 0.5 and 0.65, 0.618. And your stop loss should be slightly below this previous bottom. It is quite a deep stop loss order. Depending on your entry points, you might have about 12% of potential losses, but still the upside potential for this asset is much more lucrative, and you have to keep in mind that next range which we might hit is the previous swing highs, and it is roughly $29, and right here is roughly $30. And definitely it is not the best risk to reward ratio from current price points, but if we will go lower and if you will accumulate your position at these ranges, the upside potential for this trade will be much more profitable, from 26% all the way up to 30%, and the downside potential will be not so huge. It is only 10 or 12%, as I already mentioned. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.